Service Marketing, presented by Nivya, MCOM Previous, MPM Government First Grade College, Karkala. Service marketing is marketing based on relationship and value. It may be used to market a service or a product. Marketing service is different from marketing goods because of the unique characteristic of services, namely intangibility, heterogeneity, perishability, and inseparability. Day to day, we use services like talking on phone, taking a bus, sending a letter by post office, taking a money from ATM to watch a movie. Here, all these activities are services. Service providers like Vodafone, DHL, Pizza Hut, Ola, Uber, etc. If you go to a doctor, you attend services. If you go to any educational institutions, schools and colleges, you attend services. Definition: the American Marketing Association defines service as activities, benefits, and satisfaction which are offered for sale or are provided in the action with the sale of goods. Features of services. First one, intangibility. Services are intangible and do not have physical existence. Hence, services cannot be touched, held, and tasted. For example, bank promote the sale of credit card by emphasizing the conveniences and advantages derived from possessing a credit card. Services are intangible and do not have a physical existence. The services cannot be stored, held, or tasted. Second one, inseparability. This refers to the fact that services are generated and consumed within the same time frame. Example: a haircut is delivered to and consumed by customer simultaneously, unlike, say, a takeaway burger which is the customer may consume even after a few hours of purchase. Moreover, it is very difficult to separate a service from the service provider. For example, the barber is necessarily a part of the service of a haircut that he is delivering to his customer. Third one, heterogeneity and or variability. Given the very nature of services, each services offering is unique and cannot be exactly repeated even by the same services provider, which while product can be mass produced and be homogeneous, the same is not true for services. For example, all burgers of a particular flavor at McDonald's are almost identical. However, the same is not true of the service rendered by the same counter staff consecutively to customers. Fourth one, perishability. Services cannot be stored, saved, returned, or resold once they have been used. Once rendered to a customer, the service is completely consumed and cannot be delivered to another customer. For example, the customer dissatisfied with the service of a barber cannot be returned the service of the haircut that was rendered to him. At the most of the may be decided not to visit that particular barber in the future. The services cannot be stored, saved, or returned. Once they have been used, the service is completely consumed and cannot be delivered to another customer. Fifth one, changing demand. The demand for services has wide fluctuations and may be seasonal. Demand for tourism is seasonal. Other services such as demand for public transport, cricket field, and golf courses have fluctuations in demand. The demand for service have widely fluctuation and may be seasonal. Sixth one, pricing of services. The quality of services cannot be standardized. The pricing of services are usually determined on the basis of demand and competition. For example, room rent in tourist spot fluctuated as per demand and seasonal, and maybe a service provider gives off-seasonal discount. The pricing of services, the quality of services cannot be standardized. The pricing of services are usually determined on the basis of demand and competition. Seventh one, direct channel. Usually, services are directly provided to the customer. The customer goes directly to the service provider to get services such as bank, hotel, doctor, etc. Problems in marketing services. First one, a service cannot be demonstrated. Second one, services cannot be separate from the service provider. Third one, a service cannot be stored and it cannot be produced in anticipation of demand. Fourth one, services cannot be protected through patent. Fifth one, services are not standardized and are inconsistent. Sixth one, service provider appointing franchisees may face problems of quality of services. Thank you.